So welcome back to another Christmas special. Today we are heading out to someone who wants us to trim up their tree in the front. And it's just a small tree. We're just gonna trim it up. And I'm gonna need some help picking up all the stuff. So I've got someone to help me. If he's here. There he is. We got Link again helping us. So he's gonna help us pick up stuff off the ground while I'm doing all the cuttings and stuff, and maybe we'll get him to do some cuttings too. So it'd be good for him to learn, right? This is another person that thinks they're going to pay us for the work that we're gonna do, and we're actually just gonna tell them at the end that it's for free. All right, here we go. All right, so as you can see, the tree, it's not a very big tree, but it goes above these lines that they have, and they want it brought down below those lines. So we're gonna make it, we're gonna bring it down and shape it up nice and cute for them.
Oh my good. You better not get that in the video.
That was great.
Hey!
That was good.
Okay, fire.
Oh. You guys are going to supervise Link. You guys tell me, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think about Link's cuts here? I know you're still a little bit far away, but what do you think about his cuts? Thumbs up. Nice, not too bad.
What in the world?
What'd you find?
A worm.
A worm. Nice worm.
Ew, it's slimy. You roll
We'll
it
go put him back in the grass.
Yeah.
Free aeration. There you go. Well, I think they both approve. There was just one and now there's two birds eating at the bird feeder.
It's hard to see number 2 because it's hiding behind it.
Yeah.
The bird feeder, but it's there.
I think they approve of the trimming. Good. Good to know. Bye, birds.
Bye, Gerties.
Bye, birdies. Have a good Christmas. I'm texting the client, letting him know that the work we're going to do, that we did for him, is free, and for him to pass it on for Light the World. Plus, it's Christmas time, and we're doing Christmas videos. So, yeah, just trying to give back.
Just with one smile on your face, smiling to someone can change their day and sometimes pass on that love to someone else. Or doing something for your family, like helping them out, put away the dishes, wash the dishes, put away their clothes, and do all that stuff that can help them out. Or just smiling, like I said, to change their day and maybe change the world.
Merry Christmas. There we go. All right, so I just sent him the text letting him know that we did the work for free and to not worry about any invoice or anything like that. And that we just ask that he pays it forward to someone else and helps someone else out. All right, we'll see what he says. I'm sure he'll be just fine with it. But yeah, I'll probably include in the description down below what his response is. So keep an eye out for that. All right, take care, guys. Merry Christmas. Hope you're having a wonderful holidays. Take care. We'll see you next time.